Okay, let's look at problem number 3 out of section 13.4, where you have a soup can, has a 4 3/8 inch diameter and is 3 inches tall. What is the area of the paper that will be used to make the label of the can if the paper covers the entire lateral surface area? And you want to use 3.14159 for pi. Okay. Now in this case here, we have a diameter of a soup can, which is 4 3/8. Now 4 3/8 as a decimal will be 4.375. Now if we're going to use the formula for the lateral surface area of a cylinder, we have to find out what the radius is, which is always 1/2 the diameter, and in this case our diameter is 4.375. So if you take half of that, you'll get 2.1875. So that 2.1875 represents the radius. Okay. Now, in a cylinder, our surface area for the cylinder is this: 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times h. Now, in the problem, they asked for what is the area of the paper that would be used to make the label of the can if the paper covers the entire lateral surface area. And the key word is lateral surface area. So let's take this paper clip can as an example of a soup can. It's this lateral surface area that's on the outside that we want to cover the paper. Okay. Now, the part that's the lateral surface area is this part right here, 2 pi r times the h. Because 2 pi r squared, those represent the bases of that cylinder. Those bases are circles, because you have 2 circles, one on the top and one on the bottom. It's this one, the 2 pi r h, that we want to use. So here, the lateral surface area for that cylinder is going to be 2 pi r times h. And we're told, well, the radius, we found that out to be 2.1875. So in this case, this will be 2 pi. Oh, by the way, pi, we're using 3.14159, because we're told to use 3.14159 for pi, times the radius, which is 2.1875, times the height, which was 3, because we're told that it was 3 inches tall. Okay. So here we're using 3.14159 for pi. Our radius, we found that out to be 2.1875 by taking 1/2 of the diameter, and we were told that the height of that was 3 inches tall. So all we have to do there is just simply multiply 2 times 3.14159 times 2.1875 times 3. And you're going to end up getting 41.23, and it's in square inches. And we're told to round to 2 decimal places here, so that lateral surface area will be 41.23 square inches. Okay. All right, that was number 3. All right, now number 4. If a cardboard tube of toilet paper has a diameter of 2.04 inches and is 6 inches tall, what is the lateral surface area of the cardboard roll? Okay. Again, a toilet paper roll is in the shape of a cylinder. And again, the surface area of the cylinder, we know, is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi times RH. Now again, we're only dealing with the lateral surface area, so we only need this part right here, because the 2 pi r squared represents the base. So here that lateral surface area is going to be just simply 2 pi r times h. Okay, now in the problem we're told that the diameter was 2.04 inches. So that means that the radius will have to be 1/2 of 2.04, which would be 1.02. So the radius is 1.02 inches, and we're told that the height is 6 inches. So we'll use that in this lateral surface area formula, which will be 2 pi times r, which is 1.02, times the height, which is 6. Now we're told to leave the answer in terms of pi, so all we do here is 2 times 1.02 times 6, which will give us 12.24. So it'll be 12.24, and we bring down the pi, and it will be in square inches. So in this case, the lateral surface area in this problem will be 12.24 square inches.